I think I have too much to process, and I've been feeling kinda hopeless. I know I'm not supposed to feel this way.
Hi guys, how are ya? Welcome back! But if you're new, hi, I'm Zia, and for today we're gonna create a lazy hairstyle. Oh my god, it looks so effortless and romantic. I hope that you enjoyed. Let's get started.
After brushing our hair, we want to make our parting, and then we want to divide all our hair into two equal sections. We'll grab our first section. I'll leave some hair out to make my bun effortless looking, and we will tie it with a clear elastic. But then last time, make sure to pull your hair only halfway through to make a loop, leaving the end out. And we want to repeat with our second section. Make sure to incorporate all your hair and make your second loop. Now I want to loosen our crown section. Then you want to grab one of our loops and bring second one through it. Then you want to pin it in place using some bobby pins. Loosen it well, and then you want to grab the end and tuck it into the created bun. You want to fix it using bobby pins as well. You want to loosen it and use how many bobby pins you need. If your hair is thicker or longer than mine, you want to use more. And they're basically done. Also, to bring some romantic vibe to this bun, I decided to add a ribbon band, and voila, you're done.
I wasn't ready yet to learn how to live without you. How could I let you go when I am still in love with you? I'm still in love with you.
If you enjoyed this easy, lazy, low updo, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, you can make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. I'll be so thankful if you leave me in comments down below if you enjoyed this tutorial and what kind of videos you'd like me more to make. See you soon in our next video. Mwah!